Alrighty, so far so good. We have learned quite a lot already. We've taken a look at the template hierarchy. We've taken a look at page templates, the WordPress loop, template tags. Now it is time for us to put all of that into practice. We are going to go ahead now and build a sample page template, and we're going to work with a custom WordPress loop as well. But before we do all of this, I want you to go ahead and create some content which we can practice with. Now you can see right now I have created 3 posts, post 1, post 2, post 3. I also have 3 different categories: books, slides, and videos. Each one of these categories must have 1 post at least, okay? So you can also go ahead now and create your own custom posts. Take a look at what I have over here. I do have some dummy content, some dummy text, and I got that from this website, lorem ipsum .paybank.dk. You can get some text in here if you want to. I also have featured images for each one of the 3 posts as well. So go ahead now, create 3 different posts, give them titles, create 3 different categories. Make sure that these 3 posts belong to one of the categories. Add featured images as well, and I will see you in the next class.